This video from Sharp Help, we're taking a look at department programming on the XE-A207 register. So department's crucial on this machine because they're the main way of selling a product. So your 16 buttons here are all departments. So as standard, if you type in a price, hit a department button, it is sold £1.59 through department 15. This reason why departments are crucial, other than being able to actually use the machine, is firstly for your reporting. So when you do an end of day report, it actually splits all the sales by department. So if we do a quick X read, reading general, hopefully I'll put enough sales through to illustrate this. So when you do an end of day report, obviously the key thing you're looking for is the amount of money in the drawer, but also depending on how you're using the machine, you might want to look at your sales by department. So on this one here, we've got it all broken down by departments 1, 2, 3, 4 and 15. They'll be the departments that I've sold items through. So if this said MOT, services, haircut, fruit, lottery, whatever was specific to your business, that then makes the report make a hell of a lot more sense rather than just a load of numbers and a load of random departments. So that's one reason why the departments are important to program. The second reason is the tax. If you register in tax through the machine, your department controls the tax. So you have 4 tax rates on the machine. You don't have to use them all, you can just use one, and then whether the product or group of products has tax on them is controlled exclusively by the department. So that's why department programming is important and how it can get the best out of the machine for you. So I won't bang on about that anymore, because obviously if you're looking at a department video, you probably already know that you want to program the departments. So this is how to program them. Mode 6 TLNS takes you into PGM mode. Arrow to setting, and then article, and then department is the default one, and that takes you to the list of the departments. If we look at 99, so you can go up to 99 departments on this machine. If I come out of that one, I just want to double check how many departments you've got. Yeah, it's up to 99 on the 207. Obviously you can have 99 different categories of sale, 99 different departments, but in terms of usage you've got 16 buttons, so the first 16 are easier to use. So I would be looking at programming 16. Obviously you can use the shift key, and I've got another video explaining how to use the shift key to sell through different departments. And obviously if you're selling PLUs within departments, then you're selling a PLU, so you don't actually need department button 99. But anyway, we come back to the top of that list. We're going to program a couple of departments, starting with department 1. You can have a price, so the departments, although they are designed to be groups of products, you can have them preset. So if you had a lottery ticket button, for example, you could give that a price. You could arrow down to the description, type in the description, and then the status or the type of the department, we're going to change ours to be preset. I'll do a couple of different departments and show you the different ways of using them. You've then got, the further down you've got your tax rate. So as default, this department is programmed tax 1. If that's correct, then you just leave it as yes. If that's not correct, TMST, change it to no, and then you choose the appropriate tax rate. So if it's supposed to be tax rate 2, go to yes. If you've not set up your tax rates yet, there'll be a video appearing at the end of this video showing you how to do that. Now I don't know if you saw when I showed you the report, in addition to the departments you can also have a group total. So a group, all my departments, because the default is group 1, all my departments on this machine are currently set to group 1. So you can have a series of departments in group 1, a series of departments in group 2. For now I'm just going to leave mine all in group 1. The groups are really only for the reporting, they don't affect the sales or the tax or anything like that, so it's more for your report information than anything else. Halo, so Halo is high amount lockout. I've bit complicated on these machines, but I've got another video showing you how to use that properly. But basically the halo is designed to stop O-rings. It doesn't matter on this button because we've set this to be a preset. So that's our lottery button programmed. We'll do one more, but we'll do this one as a standard open department, which is how you normally use a department. So it's going to have no price attached to it. So you just leave that at 0. And then we'll just call it service caps leave the status to open because we're going to ring different prices through there. Tax, we're happy with tax 1, so we can just scroll through and check all the other settings. Group 1 and the halo I've previously explained. So when you're happy that you've programmed your department, you can press TLNS and it will toggle you to the next one, so you can repeat this procedure for all the departments that you want to program. For now I'm going to get out of there and show you how that works in practice. So we're back in reg mode, we've got an operator logged on. So if I now wanted to sell something through my service department, I want to sell £40 through service, 4000. There we go, that's the service button. So that's how a department would traditionally work. And then I've got my hotkey for my lottery ticket, so I just press that and it defaults. I don't have to type in the price. So if it's a fixed price item and you're happy for it to have its own department, thing to be careful about, because I've programmed department 1 as lottery, if I program a PLU and leave it set to department 1, that PLU is going to count towards the department sales for lottery. So if you are doing preset buttons, you probably should not do what I've done and use department 1. I'll probably look at using one of the higher departments, because as standard all the PLUs default to department 1. Obviously there's nothing stopping you change that when you program your PLUs, but yeah, that's something to be aware of. You can also do 5 times lottery, so you can use the multiply button to sell your preset 1 quickly, and then as normal subtotal and cash the sale off. So there we go, that's the basics of department programming. I've got other videos explaining the halo in a bit more detail, and also how you can create a negative button. They're probably appearing on screen now. If not, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel or visit sharphelp.co.uk where all the info is. Thanks for watching.